Hey guys, how's it going? This is the first episode of a series I like to call BJax Lucky Packs. And today I'm going to cover these two Magic the Gathering packs in some bird seed, and then we're going to feed it to the birds. Let's see if the birds can bring us some luck. So I've got my honey and my bird seed. Let's cover these packs. So we got our packs covered up in birdseed here. Now it's gonna go outside and see what happens. And we're back. We didn't get any birds, but some squirrels came along to try to take our packs, but we got them. So let's see. Packs were kind of intact. Didn't do much damage. Honey, hardly at all. But let's just get down to business and open them. See what we got. Let's see. Oh, this is disgusting. Let's see if they're lucky. I can't open them. It's all hot, sticky. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Little Shadows of Renaissance teaser. It'll work. Alright, we got an expedite at the front. And commons kind of boring. Let's skip to the uncommons. Alright. We got No Collar, Cinder Barons, Pressing the Surface, and Gladeheart Cavalry. Not looking too good. No foils. That's okay. It's okay. Call me Nuggets. We got the second one. So let's see. Let's see here. Code. Hello, Mob Code Select. Oh god. This is a mess. Let's just skip through the commons. And we got a Birthing Hulk. We got Spatial Contortion. Oh, there's a foil. We got a Mind Melter. And Eldrazi Mimic. Ooh, that's worth a lot of money right now. Let's see our foil and foil Warping Whale. Ooh, I have to check the price on that. This looks beautiful. Alright. Well, our judgment here today, I'm gonna say, so I checked the prices, and as of now, Warping Wheel on foil is $9, Eldrazi Mimic is $3, and together that's $12, and 2 packs cost $8, so I made $4. So yeah, this method works. You should try it at home sometime, see if it works for you. I rate it 8 Pepes out of 10 Pepes. Remember to buy Magic where you play Magic, and that's at your local game store. This is BJax signing out. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time.